travelers. Today, we're going on a walking tour of Cijin Island. Cijin Island is a charming and narrow island located just off the coast of KAOHSIUNG City, Taiwan. It's a popular destination for locals and tourists alike, offering a mix of historical sites, natural beauty, and delicious seafood. The most common way to reach Cijin Island is by taking a ferry from the KAOHSIUNG ferry pier in KAOHSIUNG. Ferries run frequently throughout the day, and the ride takes about 10 minutes. Here are a few tips. The best time to visit Cijin Island is during the weekdays or on weekends, but avoid holidays as it can get crowded. Bring cash, as many of the smaller shops and restaurants may not accept credit cards. Wear comfortable shoes, as you'll be doing a lot of walking or biking. Don't forget your camera to capture the beautiful scenery and memorable moments. This is a walking tour video. I have already uploaded a detailed travel guide in a separate video. Please watch that video as well. Thank you. Special thanks to the Taiwan Tourism Administration for the free accommodation and vouchers. Taiwan is visa-free for Filipinos till July 2025. You may buy your Easy card for the ferry and book activities at discounted prices via Klook. Klook promo code to get 250 pesos off, SN64. Some things you can do at Cijin Island. Explore Cijin Old Street. This vibrant street is the heart of the island, lined with shops selling local products, souvenirs, and of course, plenty of seafood restaurants. Visit Tianhou Temple. This historic temple is dedicated to the sea goddess Matsu and is one of the oldest and most important temples in KAOHSIUNG. relax on Cijin Beach. This black sand beach is a great place to swim, sunbathe, or simply enjoy the ocean breeze. Visit the Cijin Market, a traditional market just across the beach. The market's product range consists almost entirely of dried seafoods, a popular souvenir among locals. Cijin Island is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to KAOHSIUNG. With its rich history, stunning scenery, and delicious food, it offers something for everyone. Thank you for joining me on this virtual tour. Please like the video, subscribe and click the notification bell to be part of our next tour. Till next time, happy travels!
Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe. See you on the next video.